Welcome to my review of VuePress, a static site generator powered by Vue.js. If you're looking for a powerful, fast, and flexible tool to build a static website, you've probably already come across VuePress. In this video, I'll walk you through my personal experience using VuePress. From installation to customization. VuePress is designed for building documentation sites, but it can also be used for general-purpose static websites. One of its standout features is its tight integration with Vue.js, making it an excellent choice for developers who are already familiar with the Vue ecosystem. First, let's talk about the installation process. Setting up VuePress is straightforward, and it relies on Node.js. So if you're comfortable with npm and command line tools, you'll find the setup process easy. VuePress comes with a default theme that's simple and clean, but you can easily customize it or even create your own theme if you prefer. As far as performance goes, VuePress is incredibly fast. It builds pages quickly and serves them with minimal overhead, making it an ideal choice for websites that prioritize speed. Plus, VuePress generates optimized static files, so your website will load quickly for visitors. Many useful links can be found in the description of this video, so make sure to check those out after watching. What sets VuePress apart from other static site generators is its use of Vue components. You can add interactive elements to your site with ease, which is a big advantage if you're aiming for a more dynamic user experience while still sticking to a static site structure. Another highlight is VuePress's powerful Markdown support. You can easily write content in Markdown, and VuePress will convert it into well-structured HTML pages. Plus, it has built-in support for plugins, which allows you to extend the functionality of your site with ease. Whether you need SEO optimization, analytics, or custom components, VuePress has plenty of options. However, it's not all perfect. VuePress has a bit of a learning curve if you're not familiar with Vue.js or the Node.js ecosystem. While its documentation is thorough, beginners may find the initial setup and configuration a bit challenging. But once you're past that, it's smooth sailing. For those of you wondering if VuePress is the right tool for your project, it's perfect for developers or anyone comfortable with Vue.js and command line tools. If you're just looking to build a simple static site without much customization, you might want to look into other options that offer a more user-friendly interface. Remember to check the description for useful links to more resources. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.